soldier, beauty in the eye of a beholder.
TJ and I'm back with another tutorial. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I decided to give y'all a turban tutorial, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want to learn how to get your head wrap, your turban, whatever you want to call it, popping like this, then keep watching. Right here, y'all, I'm taking my spray bottle to spray my baby hairs because I don't want them to be dry at all before I oil my scalp and my edges. Right here, y'all, I'm taking my wild hair growth oil and oiling my edges and my baby hairs up before I apply my gel and my edge control. Now I'm taking this cap to put on my head before I apply my turban because I just feel like my hair is not really secured just with the scarf. I have to have something on top of it. Now I'm about to lay my baby hairs, and y'all do not try to use wet line gel to lay your edges or your baby hairs down. It's a struggle and it's very difficult because the gel don't glide like Eco Styling. Now y'all, I'm taking my edge control and I'm gonna apply it over where I put the gel, and it's gonna give it a smoother, crispier look. I'm pulling the cap back so that it won't show when I put the turban on, because you don't want it to show. Now y'all, I'm taking this gray scarf. It's cotton material, but it's like a real thin material. The thinner ones are a little more difficult to work with. The first step is you're going to fold the scarf halfway. You're not going to fold it all the way down equally, because the half that you fold halfway is going to be the part that you lay on your scalp. No one will know I'm wearing a cap under my turban because I folded the turban over to make the material thicker, so no one will ever know that I'm wearing a cap under. Right now I'm doing a bun on the back of my head, so you're going to take the scarf and squeeze as tight as you can, just like doing a real ponytail, and then you're going to take the scrunchie to wrap it around as tight as you need it to, so it can secure the scarf on your head. With scarves like this, you're going to have some extra material after you put the scrunchie on. So all this little extra material, I'm going to still twist it together, but I'm going to like wrap it and then start twisting the bottom as a twist. Now y'all, I'm going to take my hand and hold where the scrunchie is so it can secure the little donut I'm trying to make. And this was a sloppy one, but the tighter, the neater you want it, you pull tight. Now if you want a looser one like this, you're just gonna not pull it so tight, and it's still gonna do the same thing, but a different look. Time for the next one, y'all. And this one, I'm going to do the same steps, except we're not going to use a scrunchie for this one. Since this one is a front bun, we're just gonna take the two ends and make little bunny ears, just like tying your shoes. Pull it as tight as you want it, and you don't pull it too tight because it does give you a headache if you pull it as tight as I just did. And then you're gonna twist and twist and twist. Now it's time for the bun, y'all. So what you're gonna do is swirl it around. You're gonna keep twisting and swirl it around and then tuck it in. You can tuck it anywhere you want to. It don't have to be a specific place. Just tuck it under or over, however you want to do it. Now this bun, y'all, I just did, it's a messy look bun. It's not the neatest, it's not the tightest. It's still very cute and pretty, but it's a messy look. So now I'm going to show you the neat version. Now, like I said, y'all, if you wanted a neater, tighter, smaller bun look, that's the harder. You're going to pull, you're going to twist harder and hold on to the root of your scarf, like I'm doing right now, and pull as you twirl it around so you can have that neat look and not so messy. Alright, y'all, this is it for the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so when I post, you guys won't miss a beat. I love y'all. That's all for now, folks.